Parti.
Hello, my name is Sara and I would like to tell you about my experience working with Valérie. I contacted her last summer in August because I was about to change from a permanent job to become a freelancer, and has been a really difficult period for me because I've been without a job for almost 3 months, and I felt very down, very depressed, and my self-esteem was very low, as you can imagine. So I contacted her for having a session with her to start a therapy, and she proposed 5 sessions, once per week. At the beginning she started touching my body and manipulating my body, and she could actually read me as an open book. We start working on some tension zones that I had, and she made me aware of some positions and some habits, wrong habits I used to have. She told me some breathing exercises which I use today, some now and then when I feel the stress is overwhelming. Well, at the end of the 5 sessions, I felt more confident and I felt more aware of my body and my needs. All the exercises she told me actually, they work for me to make me feel calmer and to make me think clearly about my goals, not just professional goals but goals in life. So I use these techniques every day. After the 5 sessions with Valérie in September, I started receiving more clients for my business, and now is more than 1 year I work as freelancer and it's been successful. I would recommend to work with Valérie to anyone is having a challenging moment in his life, because she's really helpful and she has the power to unlock our potential. Comparing my situation before and after the therapy, I can tell there is a big difference in my attitude when I'm about to face problems. Before, I used to be overwhelmed by the situation. I get very anxious, very stressed, and I couldn't deal with any difficult situations, and I tend to make the situation bigger and dramatize it. Rather than now, Valérie gave me some tools in order to don't be overwhelmed by the situation and conquered my self-esteem back. And I can tell now I'm able to focus on my goals and being detached by the situation.